Welcome. This is your moment to breathe, to slow down, to return to yourself. Take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it gently. And exhale softly. Let's do it again. Inhale, hold, exhale. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. Just be here. Feel the weight of your body sinking gently into the ground. Let the earth support you. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw relax. Unclench your hands. You are safe. You are allowed to pause. Imagine a gentle light flowing from above, moving through the top of your head, down your spine, through your heart. This is your reset, your sacred breath, your quiet power. Let go of tension. Let go of control. Let go of doing. Breathe in softness. Breathe out everything you no longer need. You are here. You are whole. You are home. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes and return to your day, refreshed. Thank you for being here.